everyone, I hope you are all doing so well. In today's video, we are going to talk about letter S. We will say the sound of letter S. We will learn how to write letter S on 4 lines. And we will listen the story of letter S and the sound. Here is the flashcard. This is letter S. Eliza and Fiha, say which letter is this?
S.
S. Now we form letter S. Now Eliza and Fiha, take out your 2 fingers please, like this, and move your hand up, go down, turn up. So what is the sound of letter S? So do the action. Okay, Lisa and Fiha, let's sing together the song of letter S and the sound. Okay, let's do it together. Snake is slowly slithering over the soft ground. Is his soft little hissing sound. So this is how we write capital and small letter S, and we say the sound S. Now everyone, I am going to read a story of letter S and the sound S. It is a sunny day. A boy takes his dog for a walk. The boy throws a stick and the dog runs after it. The dog sniffles around in this grass and starts barking. A large spotted snake is sitting up and hissing. The boy grabs the dog and the snake slowly slithers away. So what is the action? Wave your hand in a shape like a snake and say Now we will learn that how you have to write capital S and its small letter sound. Okay everyone, now we will tell you how to write capital letter S and its sounds. Eliza, please start from the first dot and write capital letter S. Now please write small letter sounds. Okay, very nice. So this is the formation of letter S, but here you have to make a big curve. So erase it and write it again. Erase it. Yes, so we need to correct the child that how he has to form the letter correctly. Try it again, please. Okay, so this is much better. So which letter is this?
S.
What is the sound? Yes, very nice. Okay, well done, Eliza.